Hello there. Welcome back in episode 3. 3, I guess it's episode 3. Today we're gonna cover subject of group. What? Subject group number 3 and subject group number 5. So, subject group number 3 is various of subjects, basically. And it can be business management, it can be geography, it can be history, global politics, psychology, social, cultural anthropology, and even the world religions. And the main goal of that program, the subject group number 3, is to study human experience and behavior, varieties of physical, economic, and social environments that people inhabit, and history of social and cultural institutions. Basically, you can take, as I said, the variety, like a huge variety of subjects, and it can be from economics to even religions, so quite a wide range. And from my experience, I can tell you that I had a chance to choose between psychology, and geography. And the final choice was geography, because whoever I talked to was like, if you want to have no time for anything, then yeah, go for psychology, why not to? But then I started thinking, okay, maybe geography will be the good choice, the good one. Because I wanted to take psychology, because I'm kind of fascinated about medicine and about neurology. And I thought maybe psychology will kind of help me with neurology in the future. But then I started thinking, okay, I have to focus on biology, chemistry, maybe mathematics, and in order to have time for other things in life, I need to take one at least subject that will not require a lot of time to put. So I chose geography. That was a simple one, and the amount of work that it requires is not really wide. Because, the things that the program of geography covers is, there's one actually unit when you've got physical geography, it's called, I guess, and it covers things like the rivers, the lakes, the mountains, the names of it, like the theoretical part, but most of the program is based on things you can write basing on your intuition. Like, for example, the question, what comes with the risk of living in an island, for example? It's pretty obvious. It's usually for 3 or 4 points, and you have to elaborate on the question. Simply just give 2 arguments and 2 sentences why you think so, and yeah, you get 3 or 4 points for being human. Okay, the other group of subjects is mathematics, and this is the one I was thinking about for 2 months, at least, which one I'm gonna choose. Because I was the first year in ABO which had a new program of mathematics, because previously there was mathematics SL, mathematics HL, and mathematics studies, and the studies was for biology and chemistry course, because it was more practical, part of mathematics. And most of my friends from previous years took, of course, the studies, because it was just easier to write the exam in mathematics studies. The new program covers mathematics analysis and approaches, and applications and interpretations. And each of these have two levels, standard level and higher level. And I obviously went for the easiest one, so applications and interpretations standard level. A lot of free time. But why actually chose that one and not the analysis and approaches? So, analysis and approaches is more like theoretical mathematics. Like if you are interested in mathematics and you wanna like continue your life path with, you wanna do something connected with maths, then you go to university, and at university you study mathematics. And analysis and approaches is kind of the beginning of that path, the beginning of the things you're gonna cover on university. And application and interpretations is like more practical part of mathematics, because on that one you just like you learn how to conduct statistical tests, how to obtain most reliable data from random sampling, like the things that if you are planning on going for medicine or you want to do something which is research connected, then it is the thing for you. Like in your later phases of life, you don't really need how to, I don't know, add millions of x's to 800 of y's, because that's totally unuseful. And the things that they do on analysis and approaches, HL, so the most difficult variation of mathematics in IB, are like sick, and I wouldn't even try to cover that, because it's so problematic, and one exercise can take you for 2 hours or so. That's why I think for biology and chemistry course, when you choose them, the best choice is actually mathematics of applications and interpretations on standard level. It doesn't just require a lot of time to go through the process. And I haven't covered the aims of that part, so that's pretty important. So the main aims of mathematics in IB program are to develop mathematical knowledge, concepts and principles, develop logical, critical and creative thinking, and employ and refine the powers of abstraction and generalization, like in the episodes before, linked down there to the web from which I'm reading it from. And the aims, like I think they're pretty clear, and they show you what it will be actually about when you decide to try application interpretations or analysis and approaches. Like whichever of them you will choose, it will be okay as long as you work on that, because if you like it, you will spend time on it, that's for sure. And that's what IB is about, like trying new things and challenging yourself. So if you like maths, then go for analysis and approaches HL. That's gonna be beneficial, and you will have more chances on getting to your university you dream of. But when you, just like me, wanna go on medicine and you're on biology and chemistry HL, then go for standard level. Like it can be either analysis and approaches or application and interpretations. They are both like easier versions, but analysis and interpretations, no, the application and interpretations are, I guess, way easier to like get, and you'll have a chance to focus on biology and biology and chemistry, so two most important subjects in your program, to be honest. And yeah, and one more important thing, that during your mathematics program you will be working on graphical calculators, so you need to be prepared to buy them. They are pretty, like, okay, they are really expensive, like in comparison to other calculators, because the normal calculator costs like, I don't know, $5, maybe even less, and these are for 100, something like this, I guess. I bought mine version for, it was 350 złotych, so like more or less $100, something like that. So you need to prepare yourself to be equipped and to be efficient in your mathematics program. Alright, I hope I helped you by doing this short video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.